Good morning. Well, the Australian Prime Minister today is expected to outline more details of the government's JobMaker plan, as well as increased spending on infrastructure projects, including the expansion of BHP's Olympic Dam in South Australia. But today the focus for many will be if the Aussie share market will claw back some of Thursday's and Friday's losses, or if we'll enter a kangaroo market with big swings until the second coronavirus wave comes to an end overseas. Now, Wall Street had a positive close on Friday. The oil price rallied 1% and the iron ore price gained 0.8%, while the gold price lifted 0.4% to $1,740. So today we should see a bit of a bounce. The futures are suggesting a lift of 0.4% or 24 points. As for key standout US stocks on Friday, Carnival shares rose 15, Delta Air up 12%. The Dow Jones ended 477 points higher, or 1.9% up. The S&P up 1.3%, and the Nasdaq followed 1% higher. Now, what to watch locally today? Well, Healius HLS has announced the sale of its medical centres to BGH Capital for $500 million. Also, it can focus on three things: pathology, imaging and day hospitals. Secondly, Select Harvest SHV goes ex-dividend on Thursday, transferring the dividend right to shareholders, so you can expect buying of Select Harvest to push its shares up higher this week. And lastly, you need to start to think about the JobKeeper and JobSeeker schemes being wound back. In this case, Citi says CBA should stand the tallest as it's in the best shape out of all the banks and lenders, while newcomers to the market and innovators are likely to see a squeeze by people defaulting on their mortgages. Now, for local trading ideas, well, Citi today has come out saying there's a 80% probability the market will fall lower, suggesting last Thursday and Friday's sell down was not it, and there could be more bad news to come. So in this instance, you might like to consider looking at short ETFs to hedge your portfolios. You could consider BEAR, BBOZ and BBUS. Secondly, UBS met with Seven Group Holdings SHW CEO and CFO, and UBS reckons the new fleet orders of Caterpillar goods will continue to ramp up and underpin the company's future growth, particularly of its WesTrac division. Now, SVW closed at 17.35 on Friday. UBS targets 19. Macquarie increased its target today to 19.10, and Credit Suisse also increased its target to $20.35. And lastly, the 30% Santos owned gas development project in Queensland received state government approval for its development of the project. Macquarie increased Santos's price target to $6.05. The project is also 40% owned by a smaller company called Comet Ridge COI, and Bell Potter backs that stock as a buy, increasing its price target to 19 cents. On Friday, it closed at 10 cents. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.